Start. Good morning, dear students. I, Farida Ahmad, is going to explain you English Reader Books, chapter number 1. The name of lesson is The Top and the Ball. It is the conversation between the ball and the top. There is a spinning top and pretty little ball. So now let's start reading. A handsome spinning top and a pretty little ball lay in a box among other toys. One day the top said to the ball, "Shall we marry?" However, the ball was rather proud and did not bother to reply. How was the ball? Yes, the ball was proudy. The next day, the little boy to whom the toys belonged painted the top red and yellow. When the paint dried, he gave the top a spin. The top began spinning, and his new colors looked magnificent. "Look at me," said the top. "What do you say now? Shall we be engaged to each other?" Okay, now my question is, who painted the top? The little boy to whom the toy box belonged. Okay. Next question is, what colors did the little boy paint the top with? Yes, red and yellow. Okay. Now start reading again. "Look at me," said the top. "What do you say now? Shall we engage to each other?" The ball was not impressed. "You may got new paint, but do you know that I made of special cork and I am very rare? Why would I marry common top like you? In any case, I am almost engaged to a swallow. Every time I fly up in the air, he puts his head out of the nest and says, 'Will you?' And I have agreed." What is a cork meaning here? Cork is a light, tough material that is the thick bark of a type of an oak tree. The bird was very proud, so she did not impress with him. So she replied that she is already engaged with the swallow. Swallow is a bird here. The top felt sad on hearing this. Every day the boy would take the ball out into the garden. He would throw her high into the air and catch her. When she came down, however, one day she went into the air but didn't come down. The ball had simply disappeared. The boy searched everywhere but couldn't find her. So boy used to take it for playing game every day. So one day what happened? When the boy was playing with this ball, it was disappeared. "I know where she is," sighed the top. "My beloved ball is in the swallow's nest and has married the swallow." This thinking is belong from the top. The top was thinking that the ball was married to the swallow. Several years passed. The top started looking more handsome, for now the boy's younger brother would paint and polish him. He was now a golden top. Can you tell me which color the little boy's younger brother used to paint the top again? Yes, golden color. One day the little boy spun him very hard and the top went right out of the window. The little boy searched for him everywhere, but he was nowhere to be found. The top had fallen into a dustbin. "Oh dear," said the top. "How am I ever going to get out this place? One day what happened? The boy was playing with the top and it fell down in the dustbin. So when the top fell down in the dustbin, he was thinking that how could he get out of this place. He peeped over the bin and saw a strange round thing that looked like an old apple lying on the ground. It was not an apple but an old ball. "Hello, ball," said the dog. "Where have you come from?" What happened when the dog was in the dustbin? Yes, the dog met the ball in the dustbin. "I am a special ball. I made of special cork. I was once engaged to a swallow, but I fell here, and I have been lying by the side of this bin ever since," replied the ball. The dog was thinking that it was an apple, but as he asked the ball, "Hello, ball," and asked her question. So the ball replied that I am a special ball, and again I made of a special top. So the top believed that it so the so the top couldn't believe his ears. It was his beloved ball. "It's you," the top exclaimed. "Didn't you recognize me?" The top asked the ball that didn't she didn't recognize him. The ball started. She too recognized the top. The ball also agreed that she recognized the top. Just then the maid came to the clear out the garbage. "Ah!" she exclaimed. "Here is a top." She picked up the top and wiped it clean. Suddenly her eyes fell on the ball. And what do we have here? A ball, perhaps. The young master will like this too, she thought, and picked up the ball as well. When the little boy saw the top and the ball, he gave a whoop of delight. He kept them safely in his toy box. The maid picked up the ball and top both, and she uh, kept both in the toy box again. The top and the ball were together once again. This time, when the top asked the ball to marry him, you can be sure the ball agreed. She realized how much the top loved her, and they started together in the toy chest for many years. What happened in the last? In the last, the top and the ball married and they lived together happily. This story is written by Hans Christian Andersen. Hans Christian Andersen was a Dutch writer. He wrote a lots of poems and stories. He was most famous for the fairy tales he wrote. Some of his most famous stories are The Ugly Duckling, The Emperor's New Clothes, and The Little Mermaid. Now, children, it's time to word meanings. First word is a handsome. What is the meaning of handsome? Good looking, especially man. Proud. Proud means you feel you are better than others. Magnificent. Very attractive. Engaged. Engaged means agreed to get married. Impressed. Feeling admiration for someone because you think they are good. Cork, a light tough material that is the thick bark of a type of an oak tree. Garbage, waste paper and other things you throw away. Whoop, a loud cry of joy or excitement. Now students, we are going to read this word. After reading this word, I am going to read question for you, and you have to write these questions and word meanings in your notebooks. English reading notebook. Okay. First question is, what colors did the boy paint the top with? The answer is, the boy painted the top with red and yellow colors. Why did the ball not agree to what the top suggested? Why it was not agreed? The ball not agreed to what the top suggested because she was proud. Question number 3. What happened when the boy threw the ball very high? Answer is, when the boy threw the ball very high, the ball disappeared. Next, question number 4. Where did the ball go? Yes, the ball went near to the dustbin. What happened when the top and the ball met in the garbage bin? Answer is, this time the ball agreed for Top's proposal. Where did the top and the ball live? They lived together in the toy chest for many years. That's all for the today. I will meet you again in next video with new chapter. Till then, bye bye.